Empires may rule countries, but literature ruled minds. This is the story of how Indian writers transformed English into a voice of identity, resistance, and freedom. Before Indian English literature became celebrated across the world, it began under the shadow of empire. A foreign language entered India through trade, conquest, and colonial power. But over time, Indian writers transformed that language into something deeply their own. This is the story of Indian English literature, a story written with resistance, identity, memory, and freedom. In the 19th century, British education spread English across India. At first, English literature in India mirrored colonial influence. Indian students studied Shakespeare, Milton, and Wordsworth. But slowly, Indian writers began asking a dangerous question. Could English speak with an Indian soul? Then came pioneers like Rabindranath Tagore. Though he primarily wrote in Bengali, his translated works introduced Indian spirituality and emotion to the world. Soon, Indian voices grew stronger. Writers no longer wished merely to imitate English literature. They wanted to redefine it. And then emerged the legendary trio R.K. Narayan, Mulk Raj Anand, and Raja Ram. Together, they laid the foundation of Indian English fiction. R.K. Narayan brought small town India alive with warmth and simplicity. Mulk Raj Anand exposed poverty, caste, and injustice with fearless realism. Raja Rao blended Indian philosophy, mythology, and spirituality into English prose unlike anything the West had seen before. English was no longer foreign, it was becoming Indian. Then came independence. 1947 did not merely change politics, it transformed literature. Indian writers began exploring freedom, partition, displacement, and identity. The pain of division, the hope of a new nation, the struggle between tradition and modernity. These themes shaped an entirely new literary voice. And as decades passed, Indian English literature exploded onto the world stage. Salman Rushdie shattered traditional storytelling with magical realism and linguistic experimentation. Arundhati Roy brought poetic intensity and political depth. Amitav Ghosh connected history, migration, and memory across continents. Indian English literature became fearless, bold, hybrid, global. It carried the sounds of Indian streets, the rhythm of Indian speech, and the complexity of Indian identity. Today, Indian literature in English stands among the most influential literary traditions in the world. From colonial classrooms to Booker Prizes, from borrowed language to literary revolution, Indian writers proved something extraordinary. A language imposed by empire could become a tool of creativity, resistance, and freedom. Because in the hands of Indian writers, English stopped being colonial and became profoundly Indian. Indian writers did more than write in English. They transformed it into a language of Indian dreams, struggles, and stories.